So yeah, let's say you do 5K in July. Let's say you do 7K in August. Let's say you do 10K in September, right? So that's 22. So if you do 22K in Q3, I would expect, obviously, and that store's growing as well. I would expect you to do, so if you do 10K in it's a bit difficult to predict because it's so based on things. But if you do 10K in September revenue, you could literally be doing like, I've had stores before that have jumped up to 70K in November. So you could do over 100K. So if you do 10K in September, you could do $100,000 in revenue in the Q4 period. So if you start today, basically in short, I'll keep it simple. In short, if you start today and you follow the correct path and you follow everything, you do everything right, you could earn $20,000, and realistically, it'd be very easy to earn $20,000 in the Q4 period. So start today, by the end of the year, $20,000 profit. And that's pretty conservative. Like, you don't have to work that crazy hard for that, especially if you're doing dropshipping. You don't have to work that crazy hard for that. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but you don't have to work that crazy hard.